Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this keto black garlic soba noodles with directions on how to assemble this floating ghost. I've included some tips on how to make these noodles successfully as well as a recipe for this delicious black garlic sauce. Learn how to soften these noodles and easily clean your container and condiment bottle, and use the leftover mixture to make lasagna sheets. To make the floating ghost and to add some protein to your soba noodles, boil some eggs. The easiest way to peel hard-boiled eggs is to bring the water to a boil and then add in the eggs. Cover with a lid to cook for about 10 minutes, slightly cool in cold water and peel away. The shell comes right off. I learned this trick from Kenji. To make the head of the ghost, I'm using a skeleton ice mold. Insert the egg into the mold and refrigerate until cold and firm. The mold is much bigger than the egg, so I used a clip to make it tighter in order for the face to show. Black garlic is needed for this recipe. You can purchase black garlic on Amazon or in a local Asian store, as well as make your own. I found the certified organic black garlic on Amazon, and there are not that many in the boxes you can see. So to make your own, you can use a rice cooker and keep it on warm for 21 days. Black garlic has so many health benefits. It is loaded with antioxidants, helps fight cancer growth, boosts heart health, stabilizes blood sugars, and compared to regular garlic, it has more fiber and iron and less carbs. To make the black garlic noodles, turn on your high-speed blender on low with 3 cups of water. Add in 1 single black garlic or 1 clove of black garlic one at a time. Increase the speed to high and blend well. Then decrease the speed and keep the blender running while adding the rest of the ingredients. Add in the egg white powder, sea salt, xanthan gum, and sodium alginate. If you wish to naturally color your noodles, add in some activated charcoal. Keep the blender running on high with the lid secured for at least 3 minutes. Refrigerate for 30 minutes or so to get rid of the air bubbles and to bring the temperature down. If this step is skipped, the noodles might take longer to set. It is best to have both the mixture and the calcium bath cold to form the gel walls faster. If one is hot while the other is cold, it will be a little bit mushy inside. To prepare the calcium bath, you can use either calcium chloride or calcium lactate. For recipes that do not use powdered ingredients, it is best to use calcium chloride as it makes firmer noodles. In a bowl, add the calcium chloride or calcium lactate to the water. Today, I'm using calcium chloride. Stir until dissolved and the water is clear. Stir the calcium bath with one hand going one direction while the other hand is squeezing the bottle to extrude the mixture into the calcium bath. Notice that I'm extruding from the side. This is to ensure that the new strand of noodle is not touching the other noodles right away. This gives it time for the gel walls to form. To avoid clogging up your sink when cleaning up, add water and a bit of calcium chloride or calcium lactate to the container and let it sit. Watch what happens. The leftover mixture will solidify and form sheets. Yes, you can definitely use these as lasagna sheets or as wonton sheets if making the original egg noodle recipe, or as dim sum shrimp riceless rolls if making the riceless protein noodle version. To soften the noodles, add hot tap water to the bowl of noodles. I recommend softening the noodles if you do not like the rubbery texture. Unlike shirataki noodles, these noodles can be softened to your liking. Add in the lemon juice, then the baking soda. There will be a chemical reaction. Depending on the temperature of the hot water, soaking time will vary. I normally do it for about 6 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it to avoid making it too soft. Strain and rinse the noodles a few times with cold water. Here's a comparison showing the noodles in the calcium bath and the noodles after softening. Can you see and hear the difference? To make the black garlic sauce, add in the minced garlic, black garlic, avocado oil, coconut aminos, sesame oil, and onion powder. Blend until thick using an immersion blender. To dry up the noodles a bit, I added the noodles to a pan on low heat and added some gum arabic to it. I haven't decided if this step is necessary, but as you can see in the end of the video, the noodles did soak up their sauce. For the floating ghost, I used a zucchini for the base, a black boba straw, and a pair of chopsticks. For the head, a hard-boiled egg is used from earlier. After the egg was attached, it was a bit off balance, so I changed the base by cutting a bigger piece off of the zucchini. Place and cover the chopsticks, straw, and zucchini with the black garlic noodles. To serve, garnish with chopped green onions and toss with the black garlic sauce. This sauce is quite delicious, so do use it for other cold noodle recipes. This black garlic soba noodle is a must try. This sauce will work well with all of my keto noodle recipes, so don't forget to check those recipes out as well. If you're looking for an easy keto work lunch recipe, this is it. It's delicious, it's healthy, and it requires no heating up. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Keto Asian Flavors for authentic, fusion, and innovative Asian recipes. See you next time.